Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blauparts. Today we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the rear differential gear oil on a 2019 Ram 1500. This is going to apply to all 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 rear differentials. For this demonstration, we're going to be using the recommended 75W90 GL5 gear oil. To learn more about the proper Ram 1500 rear differential gear oil specifications, fill capacities, change intervals, and our convenient differential fluid change kits, check out the link in the description below. So let's get started.
Begin by confirming that the rear differential is warm. This allows the fluid to drain more thoroughly while it's being drained. During the fluid change, the vehicle will need to be in a level position. Most Ram 1500 rear differential gear oil changes can be done on a flat, level surface without lifting the vehicle. In our case, we're going to be gaining access to the bottom side of the vehicle by using an automotive lift. To confirm you're lifting the vehicle correctly, you can reference your factory owner's manual for the proper vehicle lift point locations and safety procedures. Next, locate the rear differential fluid fill plug. This is located on the front right side of the differential closest to the drive shaft. Loosen and remove the fill plug in a counterclockwise direction using an 8mm hex bit socket and ratchet. Removing the fill plug before draining the differential fluid confirms you have a way to refill the differential in case the fill plug is seized and can't be removed. Next, locate the differential fluid drain plug. This is on the lower right corner of the differential. Loosen and remove the drain plug in a counterclockwise direction using a 14mm hex bit, socket, and ratchet. Allow the old gear oil to thoroughly drain into a suitable waste oil drain pan. Using a clean rag and wire brush, clean the drain and fill plugs from excess rust, corrosion, contaminants, and debris. Next, apply a small amount of automotive grade thread sealant or high temperature RTV on the drain and fill plug threads to ensure a quality seal with no leaks. Reinstall the drain plug by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 14mm hex bit, socket, and torque wrench, tighten the drain plug. In this instance, we're tightening it to a 44 foot-pound torque specification. Next, begin filling the differential with a fluid that meets or exceeds the recommended gear oil specifications. The correct fluid level has been achieved when a stream of fluid begins overflowing from the differential fluid fill port. This is between 2.2 and 2.9 liters, depending on the exact rear differential optioned in your Ram 1500. With the rear differential fluid level confirmed, you can begin installing the fill plug by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using an 8mm hex bit, socket, and torque wrench, tighten the fill plug. In this instance, we're tightening it to an 18 foot-pound torque specification. Using a rag, clean and remove the excess fluid from the rear differential fluid drain and fill plug areas. The differential should be completely cleaned from any fluid residue. This will help when inspecting and confirming that the rear differential does not have any leaks after performing your fluid change.
So that is a quick overview on how to change the rear differential gear oil on a 2019 and newer Ram 1500. If you have any other questions or for more information on the differential gear oils we offer for the Ram 1500 models, feel free to visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.